What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode. In today's episode, we're going to be installing some performance parts on our SEMA build. We're super excited because we partnered up with Tenier Exhausts here and Project Gamma. We're super excited to have their parts on our build because they make some phenomenal stuff. We're going to be doing Tenier's custom and performance style exhaust. It's the triangle shape exhaust that everyone loves. We know all you GX owners out there love it. And then we're going to be doing Project Gamma's front mount carbon fiber intakes. We're super excited to see these products, guys, on the car because we know it's going to look really good. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so we got the intake system laid out right here. We're gonna unbox this left to right and see exactly what's in here. So I believe these are the intake cones. Let's check them out. Really nice quality. Let's open them one up so we can see exactly how they feel and how they look without this packaging. Super nice. Project Gamma. I like them. I like how they're short, really compact. These look really nice. Can't wait to see them in front of the car. Let's open the next one. Yep, so it's left and right. These are front mount, guys, meaning they're going to be shown through the front grille, front of the car. So honestly, it looks really cool, but the sound is really good as well. So you can see, same one as the other one. Really nice quality. It's what you would expect from Project Gamma. Moving on. Let's see. More tubing, probably connecting pieces for the carbon fiber actual piping. Same thing. Low. Then we got another one. Yep. We got two. More adapters. Then we got a baby one. Now, this is what I've been waiting for because I think these are the actual carbon fiber pieces and probably gonna look really good. So let's get into it. Yep, I was right. Let's put this one on here so you guys can see. Wow. Look at that. Super nice. Crazy good quality. Wow. It's gonna look so good. Open the big one now. I'm scared to blade it and cut it open because I don't want to scratch anything. So I'm gonna forcefully remove this tape and the foam wrapping just so we don't take that risk. Uh-oh. Looks like a banana. Oh. I feel like it's like Christmas and I'm like a kid opening my gifts. There we go. Look at this. Wow. This is huge. Super excited. So I'm gonna lay it out how I think it goes. I'm thinking it's somewhat like this. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, so it'll go like this, and the cones would be here in the front. That one could stay in place. So actually, let's put it like this. So 2 cones in the front, the grill right here. I think it's look really good. Then you have the Project Gamma seen in the engine bay. It's gonna look really nice. So yeah, guys, these are the full front mount intakes from Project Gamma. Super excited to have these guys a part of the build. But now we're gonna move on to the exhaust system and see what Tenier has to offer. So we got the Tenier exhaust on the table. Their exhaust actually came in 2 packages. This is one of them. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Hopefully this is the rear end section so we can check out the muffler portion and see that cool MP style. If not, it's still gonna look cool. It's still gonna be the mid pipes and stuff like that. Test it out. Wow. Got some nice packaging. Always want to make sure the exhaust travels safely. So it's good when they do this. Looks like that's under the exhaust. Same with that one. On top. Nice. So looks like some mid pipes. Put these to the side right here. We'll open all the packaging once we get everything out. We can see everything. Let's see. Packaging out. This. Another connecting pipe. Definitely looks like left and right. And then, what's this? Oh, wow. This looks really nice. Let's put this right here. So we're gonna move this box and we'll get the other one placed right here and we'll see what's inside there. So we got the second box up here. Let's unbox this one. Let's see what's inside. And hopefully it's the rear section, but I'm pretty confident it is because there's only 2 boxes and the other box was all the mid pipes, connecting pipes, cross pipes and stuff. Here we go. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah. So this looks like the valve controller box possibly. Yeah, it looks really nice. Tanier, huge shout out to them. What are these? These must be the tips. I'll check these out in a bit. Once we get everything out, guys, we'll open up everything on the table so you guys can see exactly what came with the system. There's the other one. Another one. Some decals. You know, you always need more decals. Yep. This does look like it. It's gonna look really nice. Not too sure what this is, but we'll figure it out. I'll actually put it down here. Let's see. Okay. Yep, this looks like the full rear end section. So we finally got the full Tanier system unboxed on everything, and it looks really good. The quality and craftsmanship is top notch. Welds look amazing. I mean, just check out these matte carbon fiber exhaust tips. They look really good. We got 4 of them laid out. Yeah, guys, I'm super happy with the quality. We even have a little special extra touch right here. We're gonna show you guys some cool cinematic B-roll of that. Yeah, super grateful for the guys and the people over there at Tanier. Thank you guys very much. I'm super excited to have you guys part of the build. But yeah, guys, without further ado, enough of me talking because I know you guys are anxious to see how these parts sound and how they look because they obviously look amazing. Let's get to the installation, guys.